what I liked about what I've seen out here in this mental health services brings it out of the shadows and into the public a little bit, where they can see some of the options. I circled through here yesterday quite a bit, and I saw some things that I needed to know to help move things along in my job. At the same time, I was able to see people at ground level and some of the pros and cons and some of the things that's going on out there. And I just want to take time to say thank you to all those that's involved. Dave?
Thank you, Mayor. I just want to say, as a county commissioner, we're really cognizant about our jail population here. And we understand that the overwhelming majority of those incarcerated at the Guernsey County Jail are there either directly or indirectly as a result of substance abuse issues. So every one of the professionals that are here, again, whether directly or indirectly tied to substance abuse and prevention programs, we need all of you because every dollar spent is incredibly worthwhile, and we've got the renewal on the mental health and recovery services levy that's up for renewal, because we need that, because you can either pay it forward or you can pay it through the nose for the cost of incarceration and the social toll that it takes in our community. It's an essential issue for us here in Guernsey County. We're not unique, but this is our baby and we need to take care of it here. And I appreciate everybody that's been involved in this bridge effort. Thank you.
Skip. No, you guys go next. I can't say it better than Dave.
Well, it's hard to follow the mayor and Commissioner Wilson, but I want to take this opportunity to thank everybody. As we know, this has to be a collaborative effort, both through the community, our mental health and our addiction services, to include our politicians and all the law enforcement. We have to make that mark and work together and move that forward in order to be productive. And it's just not a punchline that we often hear is, you know, we have to be in this together. We have to be in this community together. We have to live amongst our community. And I think it's really important when law enforcement can join forces with other agencies to make a difference and make a change and help somebody in life, where that interaction with law enforcement can be a positive one through these bridge days. And I just want to thank the Cambridge Police, the Ohio State Highway Patrol, and everything for the collaborative effort working with us. Thank you.
Chief?
I'm sorry.
Hello, I'm Sergeant Cunningham from the Cambridge Post. We all know that criminals use our roadways to engage in their activities, whether it's transporting illegal drugs or stolen goods or contraband. Throughout this detail, the High-State Patrol, in partnership with the local and state law enforcement agencies, are focused on removing the criminal element from the roadways right here in our community. The patrol understands the profound importance of removing drugs from our roadways, not just to make our highways safer, but to protect our communities. And I want to encourage everyone to either dial 911 or pound 677 from your mobile device when it is safe to do so, so you will be connected with the nearest patrol post or sheriff's office so you can help with the efforts. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Misty Cromwell with the Mental Health and Recovery Services Board, and I again want to thank everybody for their support and their collaboration as we try to build healthier, better communities with raising awareness about the resources that are available in our communities. I appreciate the providers that are here to offer their support in connection with the law enforcement officers, our sheriff's department, our commissioners. It truly takes a community working together hand in hand to be able to lift up individuals who struggle with mental health and addiction efforts. And I couldn't be more pleased with our first effort at Bridge Days here, and we're looking forward to seeing what we can do to continue to improve the lives of Guernsey Countyans here as we work together. Thank you.
Hi, good afternoon. I'll echo the speakers before me and thank everyone for coming out today. My name is Sarah Moore. I'm the Deputy Director of Recovery Ohio in Governor Mike DeWine's office. Since taking office, Governor DeWine has remained deeply committed to the mental health and wellness of all Ohioans. His leadership is evident in initiatives like this Operation Bridge, which bring together the resources and collaborative efforts needed to tackle the challenges of substance use disorder head-on. Recovery Ohio has worked closely with local agencies, healthcare providers, and law enforcement to ensure that they have the tools necessary to fully participate in today's event. This includes providing life-saving resources like naloxone. Just this week, naloxone was distributed to individuals and families in need in this community. We know that naloxone saves lives, and it gives people the critical chance to survive an overdose and connect to the treatment that they deserve. Through the website naloxone.ohio.gov, any Ohioan can have naloxone delivered directly to their home and have the life-saving medication available to all. Operation Bridge represents what we can achieve when law enforcement, healthcare, and social services unite with a common goal: reducing the illicit drug use and its devastating effects. Guernsey County's leadership is a testament to the power of collaboration through a blend of law enforcement, prevention, and treatment efforts. We are not only making our community safer, but also offering hope to those in need of recovery. Treatment and recovery are about more than just addressing the symptoms of addiction. They involve understanding the root causes, including trauma, mental health conditions, and even genetic predisposition. We're proud to see the turnout here today with Guernsey County, the healthcare professionals, social service, law enforcement, and all the community organizations that have helped to make today a success. Recovery is strengthened when people are surrounded by a supportive community, one that believes in their potential for a healthy, productive life. With your efforts, we're building that future in Ohio one step at a time. Thank you to everyone involved in this Operation Bridge. It was our privilege to be part of today's event.